Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about PiggyVest and how you can start saving money using PiggyVest. So PiggyVest is a savings and investment platform which you can use to save your money daily, weekly or monthly. And whenever you save money, interest is given to you, and the more you save, the more interest you get. So you can also withdraw your money anytime you like. So there are four main ways in which you can make money on PiggyVest. So for first time savers, whenever you put at least 1,000 naira into your PiggyVest account, you also receive 1,000 naira extra. So which means you get 2,000 naira in your account. Second way is to make money from interest on the funds that you have placed in your PiggyVest account. So whenever you save money, interest is also given to you, and you can it's accumulated every month. So every month you'll be able to withdraw your interest. So whenever the more you put in money, the more interest you get. The third way is to make money using Piggy points. So anytime you save, points are always given to you. So 1 point is equals to 10 naira. So for example, you allow your points to get accumulated to up to 200 points. So 200 times 10 will give you 2,000 naira. So the fourth way is to make money using referral program. So whenever you encourage someone to save money, and the person uses your referral code, you make 1,000 naira. The person also gets 1,000 naira in commission. So with this said, I'll head over to the other side so that I'll teach you how to create an account with PiggyVest. The link is in the description box below. Click on the link and it will take you straight to creating your account in PiggyVest. Thank you. And this link contains referral code. Whenever you use my referral code, I will get small commission. You also get a commission as well. Thank you for using my code in advance. So stay tuned.